Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Empress D, and to my subscribers, welcome back. Today we are going to continue our James Charles versus whatever series that I said we were going to be doing, and today it will be the James Charles, which is on my right eye, will be your left, versus the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil on my left, which will be your right. Okay, as usual, I will save all my opinions for the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned, don't skip. Let me know what you guys think and all that good stuff. So I was supposed to upload a video on Friday, but as you guys know, I said I was traveling, etc. I should have been back, but I was delayed by a date in Antigua, so I didn't actually get to come back and film in time to do this. So I am uploading it now. So apologies to my subscribers, and if you're new, like I said, welcome.
Well, you can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it. Let them respect you for spec.
Right guys, so I am starting with a monobrow as normal. And like I said in my intro, we will be doing the James Charles palette versus the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So I will be doing my right eye with the James Charles palette and my left eye with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Just to let you guys know what I've used on my brows, I went in with my brow pomade, which I haven't used in a while, which is the ColourPop Black and Brown pomade. And I cleaned it up with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. Right, so I am going to go in with the P. Louise base in 0. And I am just going to put that all over my lid, just to make sure that we create a nice blank canvas for our colors. Okay, so as best as I can do this, I was going to do a nude, like neutral look today, and I was going to do the Juvia's Place Warrior palette versus the James Charles palette, but being as this is colorful and I really like colors, as you guys know, I have decided to do the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm just going to show you guys the colors that I am going to use. So I am thinking, let me just put this down because this might be a lot easier for me to do. Right, so I am going to start off with this blue right here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is Playground here. And then I am going to deepen that blue up with Cola, which is here. And then I'm going to cut my crease, and I am going to go in with the yellow, which is B, the green, which is Social Blade here, and possibly Escape. Okay, that's what I'm thinking. Whether it changes along the way is another story, but we'll see. Just to say, sitting and thinking about this while I'm doing this look, it would have been wise to start with the darker blue and then blend it out with this blue, but we already started, so. Okay, so while we let this get dry, it doesn't dry like dry, it like semi mattifies dry, if that makes any sense at all. So I'm just gonna let that do its thing, and I am going to go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And these ones do not have names, so we are going to go in with, so we're going to use the same method as we did over here because we don't want to cheat or anything. So we're going to go in with this blue right here. I know that it looks different to the James Charles one, but I swatched them on my hands and they kind of look the same on my skin tone. So we're going to go in with this one here, and then we are going to go in with this blue here, and then we are going to cut our crease as we did over here. Okay. What do you think? Looks the same? I think so. Right, so I'm just going to swap the blues from this blue and use this blue down here, because this one's more like a navy color, same as this one over here. So we are going to use that instead. I am just going to pop off and do my base, and when I am at my setting powder stage, I will come back and I will finish my under eye and anything else I plan to do relating to my eye and lashes. Okay, right you guys, so I'm just gonna go in with my stub. I haven't replaced it yet. This is the NYX Jumbo, not so jumbo white pencil, milk. And I'm just going to go in with this in my waterline, and then I'm going to smoke out the bottom with some purple, the different purple obviously for each one. I'm just going to finish my face and I'll be right back. Right guys, so I am back and my look is completed. So I said I would save all opinions for the end of the video, so here it goes. James Charles palette, BH Cosmetics palette. So out of the two eyes, James Charles won, okay? BH Cosmetics, I've always kind of struggled with their shadows, and I always figured it's because I probably don't know how to use them properly. It's possible because, you know, I'm still new-ish to makeup. But the James Charles palette, he won, okay? He's the one. So in my first one that I did the Playing in Yolando Jamrock Universal palette, which my finger's just right on right there. It's right in my little magazine case that I put my eyeshadows in. So that one won. But James Charles, like I said, it is pigmented, and I recommend James Charles. So I mean, if it would only have to be if you're new to makeup. If you're not new to makeup, you probably already have both of these palettes already. But if not, and you were wondering what you should spend your money on, the BH Cosmetics or the Morphe James Charles palette, I would definitely say to get the James Charles palette, because that is the one. On camera, they might look like the same, possibly. But in real life, he won, okay? He is the one. So I recommend the James Charles palette, and I also still do recommend the BH Cosmetics. I have used it for a while, and before I had my James Charles palette, which I got this month, I was using the BH Cosmetics palette, and I do like that palette. You just have to build up a lot with the colors, and that is the only downfall. James Charles, pigmented. Like I said in my first video, I don't think I need to do swatches for James Charles, because I think the whole of YouTube has done a review on the James Charles palette. So this will be my last versus James Charles series. If you have both of these palettes, then let me know what your preference is. But for me, I definitely think the James Charles palette is the way to go. So what am I doing next week? I'm not really sure. I do have a few ideas in mind. So I will be doing another series next week, and it will revert back to 3 videos because I'm done with traveling and all that stuff. So we'll be back on our grind. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you guys.